Hello everyone, this is Masth Electronics. Today, we will learn how to create an animation on an OLED display. This video is a continuation of the previous one. Click on the I button to watch the previous video. First, make sure to complete the connections and software setup as shown in that video before proceeding here. I hope you're all set up. Now, let's continue. In the last video, we learned how to display a static image on the OLED display. Now, we will take it a step further by displaying a sequence of images to create an animation. Let's search for bitmap animation. I will go with this link. Here, we can see a cat animation. Let's download it. Okay, the file has been downloaded. This single image file contains multiple animation frames. Now, we need to separate all frames and save them individually. To extract individual frames, I will open this with Paint. Select the required image. Crop it. Click on Resize, select Pixels, enter 128 for horizontal, 64 for vertical, and click OK. Now, our first image is ready. Let's save it as BMP file. We will repeat this process for all frames. I have extracted all frames and organized them into separate folders as Set 1, Set 2, Set 3, and Set 4 according to the frames appeared column-wise in the image we downloaded. Next, we need to convert all images into bitmap format. For that, let's visit the Image2CPP website, just like in the previous video. If you are stuck, click the I button to revisit that tutorial. Now, we have successfully converted all images to bitmap code and added that into the animation.h file. Now, it's time to use this converted code in main program. First, we initialize the OLED outside the while loop. Since we want a looping animation, we will draw bitmaps inside the while loop. Now, I will add a comment to indicate that this section is for Set 1 images. For each frame, fill the screen with black. Draw the bitmap. Update the screen. I will copy these 3 lines and apply them to all frames. Now, let's flash Set 1 images and check the output. Nice, the cat is walking. Now, I will flash Set 2 images. The cat is sitting, but not for long. So sad. Let's add a small delay to let it sit properly. Now, let's try Set 3 images. Oh, the cat is preparing to run. And finally, Set 4 images. Wow, it's running. Now, let's play all frames together and see the final animation. Amazing, that looks great, right? So far, we manually split images. But what if we use a GIF instead? Let's search for a black and white cat animation GIF. This one looks good, let's download it. There's a website called EZGIF, where we can resize and split GIFs into individual frames. The link is available in the description below. I have resized the GIF to 128 into 64 pixels. I have split all frames into separate images and downloaded as a zip file. Now, let's upload all images to Image2CPP and generate the bitmap code. I will copy the code and paste it into the animation file. Let's clean up the code by removing unnecessary names from the arrays. Since all frames are stored in a single array, we can use a for loop to display them sequentially. Now, let's flash the program and check the output. Nice, the cat is blinking its eyes and going to sleep. That's all for now. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Got any thoughts or questions? Drop them in the comment section. And if you want us to cover a specific topic, let us know, we'll try to include it in upcoming videos.